Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now it's finally time for me to test the DJI digital HD FPV system for the first time, and I'm really stoked to try this. The whole activation process was a bit annoying, so DJI requires you to have an account and to sign up and to give them all your personal data and so on, and to activate each of these components, so the goggles and all the units you have. But I went through the process, it was okay, it was pretty easy to do. And now I got this 1300 milliamp hour GNB6S battery and some pretty aggressive 5150 T-motor props on my setup, and I'm really stoked to try this. So let's get to it. Alright guys, now I'm super stoked about the system. This is really a whole different experience compared to analog FPV, and I mean it's really amazing, and you have to try it for yourself. It's just impossible to describe how it feels, but no static, super high resolution. This is just, it's a different thing. It's all I can say about the experience flying FPV in HD. And I mean, there's just maybe two things I didn't 100% like. One is I'm not running this on the DJI radio, so I have crossfire and I cannot see my RSSI, which is, sorry, there's a pretty loud motorbike. Now I cannot see my RSSI, which is a bit annoying. And the other thing I noticed is, I mean, the goggles are powered off this cable here, and this is just a 1300 milliamp hour 4S I literally have in my pocket. And what you do is you just plug this here in the goggles. And what happens sometimes, if you're not careful and you're pulling this cable, this is quite easy to pull out. And if this happens while flying, well, your goggles are off and you will crash. So that's the only disadvantage I found here. That's really not a very smart solution. But apart from that, damn, the system is good. Alright guys, I hope you found this interesting and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.